Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel, and my name is Christina Basumatari, and I have been teaching you all about the lecture series regarding the Assam history, but I have thought of changing the pattern so that you get the topic in a fast manner, so that I can discuss you all in a very fast pattern. So today I have taken the topic, the most important topic, to end also the lecture relating to the Varman line of kings regarding the Varman dynasty. So we have been reading about the kings related to the Varman dynasty, like the Pusha Varman, Mahabhuti Varman, Mahendra Varman, Samudra Varman, and the many kings. But the most important after Mahendra Varman will be the Bhaskaravarman, and he is the last king of the Varman line of king. That's why it becomes important that today we discuss about him, Bhaskaravarman. So his reign period was from 600 to 650 Common Era. So this will be important, and regarding this what we have to discuss is that the important facts will be his father Sustita Varman, and Sustita Varman has two sons. One is Supratistita Varman and the Bhaskaravarman. So why Bhaskaravarman became the king before the Supratistita Varman? The reason is that Supratistita Varman died at the premature death, and after his death, so none was left to reign the crown, so Bhaskaravarman was elected. So you know about him. So we have to know about Bhaskaravarman. He is called the Kumar Bhaskaravarman. Why? Since he remained celibate or as a bachelor king, and regarded as one of the greatest monarch and remarkable ruler of medieval India. The important thing is that he is visited by the Hyunsang and the Liu Pai from the Tang dynasty. You have to remember this. Again, we have to understand the situation that here the Bhaskaravarman is being regarded as elder than the Harsha Vardhana. So some of the circumstances are there, but one important thing here is that in the religious ceremonies organized by Harsha at his court point, that is at the Prayag, present Allahabad, that is Bhaskara dressed himself as Brahma. So here we can say that it dignifies that Bhaskara is elder than the Harsha, because Harsha dressed himself as the Indra, who is regarded as the quite younger than the Brahma. So we won't go deep detail on that religious perspective. Then what we have to understand here again is that Bhaskaravarman and Harsha Vardhana, they both joined hands or alliance themselves regarding to defeat the Shashanka, that is like the governor of the Gauda or the North Bengal. So regarding this Shashanka of the Gauda, I will take a different lecture regarding on this, because right now we will focus only on the Bhaskaravarman and his alliance with Harsha Vardhana. So after this we have to understand that this Harsha Vardhana and the Bhaskaravarman, they join hands together to defeat the king of Gauda or the governor of Gauda. Regarding the different reasons for that, so we will discuss about this Shashanka in a different lecture, so that we can understand about him and the situation why this both Bhaskaravarman and Harshavardhana, they join hands together to defeat this. So then again, the last important thing to be discussed is that Bhaskaravarman, he had to face two strong powers. Who? Number one, Central and the North Bengal under Shashanka. That is like the governor of the Gauda. I have discussed it just now. And also he had to fight with the Mid India, that is Middle India, that is under the this one is Ra Vardhana, who is the father of Harsha. So right now I have given you all the facts that is related to the Bhaskaravarman, and we don't need to go the much deep into this topic. So in the next lecture I will talk about the Shashanka, that is like governor of Gauda, and the involvement of both Bhaskaravarman and the Harsha Vardhana in defeating the Gauda, and along with that I will conclude the Varmana line of kings. Then after that we will go to the different kings or the different dynasty like Salastamba dynasty and all these things, and I will try to complete it within this week, all the kings and the rulers related from the 4th to 12th century. So I hope you have understood what I have explained right now, and keep supporting me, keep watching my channel, and yes, all the best for your upcoming examination, and have a good day. Bye bye.